Hi guys, today we are going to learn 6 napkin foldings. Before starting, make sure that your hands are clean. The first one is what we call the pyramid. Here it goes. Is it too slow or too fast? Hoping that you are enjoying. The second one is called the simple pocket. Here goes the third one. I love this one because it is simple but stylish. This is called as the diagonal pocket. This fourth one confused me a little bit, but I am hoping that you are learning. This is called as the heart. This fifth one is a struggle for me because I am using a handkerchief because we don't have a napkin here. It turned out okay, I guess. This is called as the rose. This last one challenged me a bit, but I love this. It is called as the four-leaf clover. This is the end of our lesson for today. Thanks for watching!